Bananas are berries, but strawberries are not. What if I told you bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't? Botanically, a berry is a fruit that develops from the ovary of a single flower, where the outer layer of the ovary wall develops into a fleshy, edible portion. Bananas fit the bill, but strawberries develop from multiple ovaries in a single flower, disqualifying them. This means eggplants, kiwis, and tomatoes are berries too. Nature doesn't follow grocery store rules. Berry or not, nature loves to surprise us. A sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour. Think your car is fast? Wait until you hear about sneezes. A sneeze can rocket out of your nose at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour and travel over several feet. It expels thousands of tiny droplets, making it nature's most explosive reflex. That's why it's crucial to cover your mouth and nose when you sneeze. It's a biological speedster with the big splash zone. Sneezes, powerful and messy. Where DNA is 98.8% identical to a chimpanzee's. Ever feel like a distant relative of a chimp? Science says we are. Humans share 98.8% of their DNA with chimpanzees, making them our closest living relatives. But that tiny 1.2% difference is responsible for everything from our advanced language skills to walking upright. It's a testament to how small changes in DNA can create huge differences. We're more alike than you think. A blue whale's heart weighs as much as a small car. Want to hear about the biggest heart in the animal kingdom? A blue whale's heart can weigh around 400 pounds, the size of an average motorcycle. Each beat pumps about 60 gallons of blood, and can be heard from 2 miles away. Imagine this. You could literally crawl through its arteries. It's no surprise when you think about how blue whales are the largest animals to have ever lived, growing up to 100 feet long. The ocean's gentle giants are truly heartwarming. A teaspoon of honey is the lifelong work of 12 bees. How much work goes into a teaspoon of honey? You'd be surprised. To produce just 1 teaspoon of honey, 12 bees must work their entire lives, with during each of those lives, each of them only producing 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey, and visiting around 5,000 flowers each day. That's 55,000 miles of flying, more than twice around the earth. Next time you enjoy honey, think about the hard work behind it. Honey, sweet golden teamwork. The sound of cracking knuckles is gas bubbles popping. Ever wondered why your knuckles crack? Here's the science. That satisfying crack comes from gas bubbles in the synovial fluid around your joints. When you stretch or pull your fingers, the pressure changes, causing bubbles to form and collapse, creating the popping sound. And no, it doesn't cause arthritis. Crack away guilt-free. The fingerprints of a koala are almost indistinguishable from humans. Humans and koalas have an unexpected connection, and it's not just that many humans find koalas cute. Koalas have fingerprints so similar to humans that even forensic scientists struggle to tell them apart. This evolutionary trait likely helps koalas grip tree branches, but it also makes them surprisingly relatable. Imagine a koala at a crime scene. It's possible. Koalas are distant fingerprint cousins. The largest living organism is a fungus. What's the biggest living thing on Earth? You won't believe it. The largest living organism is a fungus called Armillaria ossoiae, or the humongous fungus in Oregon. It spans over 3.7 square miles underground, and is estimated to be over 8,000 years old. Its interconnected mycelium makes it the ultimate hidden giant. The planet's biggest life form is under our feet. Your tongue print is as unique as your fingerprint. Did you know your tongue is one of a kind? Just like fingerprints, everyone's tongue print is unique. Its texture, shape, and grooves vary from person to person. In fact, scientists are exploring using tongue prints as a form of biometric identification. Talk about sticking your tongue out for science. Your tongue, uniquely yours. The human brain has about 86 billion neurons. Your brain is more powerful than any computer. Here's why. The human brain contains roughly 86 billion neurons, each forming up to 15,000 connections with other neurons. That's around 100 trillion connections between neurons firing at incredible speeds, allowing us to think, feel, and remember. It's the ultimate supercomputer, and it's all packed inside your head, your brain, the most complex organ in the universe. Bananas are radioactive. Did you know bananas are slightly radioactive? Here's the science. Bananas contain potassium-40, a naturally occurring radioactive isotope. But don't worry, the levels are so low that you'd have to eat over 10 million bananas in one sitting to be harmed. It's a quirky reminder of how fascinating our food can be. Bananas. Radioactive, but harmlessly so. The Eiffel Tower can grow up to 15 centimeters in the summer. Did you know the Eiffel Tower grows and shrinks? Due to thermal expansion. The Eiffel Tower can grow up to 15 centimeters, or 6 inches taller in the summer. Heat causes the iron it is made out of to expand, while cold temperatures in winter make it contract again. It's a subtle but impressive example of physics in action. The Eiffel Tower, an architectural wonder with a seasonal twist. The first email was sent in 1971. Did you know the email has been around for over 50 years? The first email was sent in 1971 by computer engineer Ray Tomlinson. It was a test message sent between two machines side by side, and it introduced the use of the @ symbol to separate the username from the computer's address. That tiny step revolutionized how the world communicates today, from one email in 1971 to billions every day. What a journey! Wi-Fi signals can be disrupted by fish tanks. Ever wondered why your Wi-Fi slows down sometimes? Here's a fishy reason. Wi-Fi signals are electromagnetic waves, and water can absorb these signals. So if you have water, say a fish tank between your router and your device, it can act as a barrier and weaken the signal. The bigger the tank, the bigger the disruption. Maybe your fish want the bandwidth for themselves. Fish tanks and Wi-Fi, a surprisingly bad combination. Your body has enough carbon to fill 9,000 pencils. Ever wonder how much carbon is in you? The human body is about 18% carbon by weight, with an average of 24.66 pounds. If you collected all that carbon, you'd have enough to fill about 9,000 pencils. That's right, your body could keep a school supplied with pencils for years. You're a walking treasure trove of elements. Drop a like for more amazing body chemistry facts.